Okay, we have the audio playback 10 marks. To start off with, I've used the same audio that you have on Weebly. I've referenced it here and I've also explained it there just for copyright, and I don't want to get done. To start, I'll play it first for you. So. To increase the volume, just simply play the slider, decrease the volume to nothing, there you go. Leave it at halfway speed, let's reduce it to nothing, well, near nothing, and then increase the slider up. Now you can see one of the visualizations. You can see the background going a different color. This is to do with the length of the video, which I have down here. So I've gone the inputs of the video current time and timesing that by 2 to make it a quicker development in color, and then setting that as colors settings here, and also I'm playing with the colors again with the times 1.1, times 0.9 and times 1.2, and then I'm adding it to the background, and I've also put a label there saying that it shows the time. Here then I've got the play pause button, which if I increase the volume you can hear that shows that it starts and stops it, and then I've also got a reset. So that should reset there as well. I've got a created a button, play pause, which relates there, setting its heights, and then giving it an action listener of the button play button. That is a function down here, so when that's clicked it goes, if the input is playing, input.pause, else input is playing. The reset button here, the same again, give it a name, give it a position, connect it to a function. That function is here. I've used the input.jump, and that sends to default to 0. If I wanted to give it a different value, I'd give it a different starting point just by plugging it in here. Oh god, in here, and then I'm pausing it because you don't want to reset it and then it can start again, because that's just annoying. I've explained that bit, and creating a new FFT, and then creating labels here for the sliders, as you can see there and there. They correspond to them. I've then got using the input, which is the variable name for the audio file input, and then I'm giving it the set volume, and then the value of that is the slider, and the same with the rate. Over here I'm using the waveform, so it's calculating the length of each wave, setting that to an X and Y position. It's then creating 2 vertices, it's then drawing a line between them and colouring it in to give that effect, then ending the shape. That is pretty much all in my code, and that's all it's doing. There we go.